What about it is hard for you? Is it just frustrating? Are you trying over and over again and it's not really working? Usually, people who are beginning for the first time, they have a tough time staying aware. And the reason for this is because throughout their entire life, they've been conditioned to fall asleep as soon as they lay down. I mean, not just from a psychological perspective, like they expect to fall unconscious and they don't believe that anything else can come from closing your eyes other than sleep. But your body is actually wired to fall asleep when you lay down. The tonic activity within your muscles that keeps you alert and awake and your body just erect only stays active when you're sitting upright. The moment you lay down, that subtle muscular activity shuts off so that the body can completely relax. Not only that, but your adrenal glands shut off when you lay down. When you become horizontal, there's no point anymore. Your brain understands, your body understands that you have laid down for the day. You're going to sleep, and so your adrenals shut off. Theta starts to boot up in the brain, and you start to see images, dreamlike images. Then you fall asleep. And so in the beginning, you have to rewire yourself out of those states, and it's usually easier done if you try to astral project on a couch or sitting up. Also in the middle of the day, when your psychology isn't prone to anticipating sleep. You understand? It's like everyone's brain, if you get a good night's sleep every now and then, it's on board with a certain bedtime. And so it won't think, okay, it's time to go to sleep if you're trying to astral project at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You'll be fine. Then how do you stay conscious? Usually meditating a lot helps to prime your psyche to be aware in altered states. You need to have some kind of experience already. Otherwise, you have to start from scratch. You have to do meditations that have you more at a kind of incline, not a complete decline, so that your body's kind of teeter-tottering on this verge of sleep, yet you're doing something else inside here. It could be anything else, any other meditation that has you stay aware, actively tracking something. And after some time, you will learn to lay completely flat on the floor and do any kind of meditation. That skill will then carry over. The skill of being aware and being able to keep tabs on what you're doing will carry over to your astral projection attempts. And then naturally, you'll progress really well.